When it comes to portrait photography, and if you were on a budget, I would seriously consider a macro lens. This lens is as sharp as my 70-200 lens that costs $2,000. And this thing is, you probably get one of these nowadays on Amazon for between $300 to $400. Now it is a DSLR, it is an older mount, so you'll have to use, for example, with my Z6, I have to have the adapter to use the older mount style, but it's still extremely capable. And it being a macro lens, you can get extremely close to your subject if need be. With a 70-200, you can't get that close. The focusing distance is limited. With a macro lens, you can get very close to the model, and you can get detail that, because of the way it's built, the 70-200 cannot get. Not that it's incapable of getting detail, but it's a telescopic lens, and like I said before, there's a focusing distance it's limited to. With this thing, you can get extremely close, and you get that fine detail. So they're really great for like beauty portraits, high fashion photography, beauty portraits, that kind of thing. There was a time, in fact, when I had to send my 70-200 in for repair, and this was my backup. This was my go-to. And there are times when I'm flipping through my portfolio and looking at kind of older images, and I can't tell the difference in quality between shots that I took with this lens versus shots that I took with this lens. They're virtually identical as far as image quality. Now, it is a fixed lens, so remember that. So there's no zoom. The zoom is you walking to the subject and walking backwards from the subject.